Hello, my name is Tomás Rojas. I am social communication student and I currently in my third level of English. Today I am going to present to you the parts of paragraph and their shapes. Part of paragraph. Every well-structured paragraph in English usually consists of three main parts. You can think of it like a sandwich. The bread holds everything together while the filling provides the substance. The topic sentence. What it is. The first sentence of paragraph. Function. It tells the reader the main idea. It is the preview of what you are going to talk about. Examples: Tokyo is one of the most exciting cities in the world. Support sentences. What they are. The middle sentence usually 1 or 2, 5. Function. They provide details, facts, or examples to prove the topic sentences. Examples: The city offers incredible foods, neon light street, and very efficient subway system. The concluding sentence. What it is. The last sentence. Function. It sums the main point or gives a final thought. It signals that the paragraph is finished. Examples: Because of its unique energy, Tokyo is a must-visit destination for any traveler. The trip paragraph. A descriptive paragraph is used to paint a picture in reader's mind. Instead of you telling a story, you describe a person, place, or object in great detail. Key features. Sensory dates. It uses the 5 senses: seeing, smell, sound, taste, and touch. Objects. It uses many descriptive words to make the image vivid. Spatial order. It often describes things from top to bottom, left to right, or near to far. Example in English: My grandmother's kitchen is the heart of her home. The air is always thick with the sweet, warm sentences of cinnamon and baked apples. Against the pale yellow walls, a heavy wooden table sits covered in a red chicken glass. You can often hear the soft whistle of the silver tea kettle on the stove. It is a cozy place where everyone feels welcome. Breakdown of the examples. Topic sentence. My grandmother's kitchen is the heart of her home. Introduces to the place. Superdale. The sentences smell the yellow walls and red clouds, spin the wheat on the kettle sound. Concluding sentences. It is a cozy place where everyone feels welcome. final feeling summary. Tips for your precision. Speak clear, don't rush down the sentences. Use gestures. Point to the parts of paragraph on your slides. Ask the audience, can you indefinitely the topic sentence here to keep them engaged? Thank you.